As an Amazon associate, how do you know which links or campaigns are actually driving sales? Have you ever wanted to perform A/B tests on your Amazon associate links? Or maybe you just want to gain more insight into your different marketing channels and see which ones are converting more than others. Through the use of Amazon Associates tracking IDs, you can do just that. So in this video, we're going to cover everything there is to know about Amazon Associates tracking IDs, as well as show you how to create them in order for you to gain the maximum amount of insight into your Amazon Associates marketing efforts. So first off, I want to show you what a Amazon Associates tracking ID looks like, and then we'll jump into some of the technical aspects and how to generate them better. So let's say we are promoting this telescopic fishing rod and we want to generate an Amazon Associates link. If we click the text button on the top left, we can see that we have our store ID. This is a unique identifier that ties this link to our account, but what we're more interested in is the tracking ID. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to use the tracking ID Fisherman Austin email-20. Now you can generate a short link and a full link, and tracking IDs will work just the same, but for the purposes of this video, we are going to do a full link. Now notice how when we paste this link into a Google document, we can see that inside of our link, it says and tag equals Fisherman Austin email-20. This is the unique identifier that's going to tie any clicks and conversions to this Amazon Associates link. The reason why this is useful is, let's say that we have this Fisherman Austin brand that we create content under that has a blog and an email list. By using the Fisherman Austin email tracking ID for any promotions that happen with our email newsletter, and then we have the Fisherman Austin blog tracking ID for any Amazon Associate links that are placed on our blog, we can then view any conversions that happen from each source, and I'll show you how to view that now. If we head to our Amazon Associates reporting dashboard, we can start to take a look at some of the different data that is available to us by tracking IDs. In the report summary section, you can see that there is a drop down for which tracking ID you want to use. In this way, you can limit it to just one tracking ID and view the different clicks, earnings that fell under that specific ID. If we scroll down a little bit lower, you can also group your conversions by tracking ID and see the specific products that were ordered under that ID. So right now we're on category, but we can switch this to tracking ID. And by doing this, it is going to, hold on, let me apply all of them real quick. And by doing this, it is going to sort conversions by the different tracking IDs. To take this example one step further, we mentioned the example of having a blog as one source and an email as another source, but you could even use tracking IDs and sprinkle them throughout your blog post. That way you would know if a conversion happened in the intro, or maybe your comparison table, or just the conclusion call to action. And the same goes for emails. You could use one tracking ID that is the intro, the first line of the email, and then you could have another tracking ID embedded onto an image. And this is going to help you figure out where your audience is interacting with your content and your links. Next, I'm going to show you where in your Amazon Associates account you can generate your different tracking IDs. So hover over your email address that's in the top right corner, and there's going to be a drop down where you'll find something that says Manage Your Tracking IDs. If you click this button, you'll then be taken to the tracking IDs page where you can view your existing tracking IDs or add a new one. So we're going to click Add Tracking ID, and you can type in whatever you want here as long as it's under 40 characters. And just note that on Amazon Associates United States, that the -20 is automatically going to be appended here. Now quickly, I just want to mention that at the time of making this video, your Amazon Associates account is going to support 100 tracking IDs by default. Amazon Associates Frequently Asked Questions does say that if you contact customer support, additional tracking IDs can be granted, but it is not clear what limit this is and how often this request is actually fulfilled. Now that you understand the value of tracking IDs and how they work, I want to go back and demonstrate how to generate different tracking IDs for the same product. So assuming you're logged into your Amazon Associates account, navigate to the product that you want to generate multiple links for and head to the top left under the site stripe. Click Text Link, and here you'll find a drop down that includes all the different tracking IDs for you to choose from. So let's say we want to generate two links for this fishing rod, one for our blog post and one for our email list. First, we will click Fisherman Austin email-20 and click Get Link. We can copy this link for use inside of our email list. And then we are going to swap the next link to Fisherman Austin blog and generate another link and copy this link here. Now, both of these links are going to head to the same product. However, under your marketing data, when you sort by tracking IDs, any conversions that happen from each of these links will show under that tracking ID. Assuming that you're promoting your Amazon affiliate links to a global audience, you're going to want some product localization tool in place to ensure that when an international audience member clicks your Amazon affiliate link, they are taken to that same product on the Amazon region storefront that is best for them. So as we can see here, I am signed into my Amazon Canada account, and you can see that my base tracking ID and store ID has a different format than my base tracking ID and store ID for Amazon USA. So regardless of whether you're using Amazon OneLink or Geniuslink, you need to make sure that you have connected the tracking ID for international storefronts to your main account in order to ensure that proper localization takes place. So I'm going to show you how to do this for Geniuslink now. Once inside of your Geniuslink account, you're going to want to head to the affiliate tab and take a look at the Your Affiliate Programs section. From here, you're going to click Add a Program and then find the Amazon Associates region storefront that you want to add. In this case, I have Canada pulled up, so I'm going to click Amazon Canada. I'm then going to head back over to my Amazon Associates Canada account and copy the tracking ID and paste it into Geniuslink. After clicking this button, anytime Geniuslink a Geniuslink that is created by you is clicked by somebody with a Canadian IP address, they are going to be routed to that same product, assuming it's available, on the Amazon Associates Canada storefront. And instead of appending your Amazon United States tag, which is not going to grant you any commissions because it's not supported on that store, it's going to append your Amazon Associates Canada tracking ID there in order to ensure that you're earning the maximum amount of commissions possible from your international audience. All right, everyone, so that's all we have for today on the topic of Amazon Associates tracking IDs. If you have any questions about anything we discussed in this video or the international Amazon Associates tracking IDs, be sure to drop a comment below. How are you using tracking IDs currently? We'd be curious to hear about that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.